Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically the 82nd part of the language power. One of the person told that. Let's take basically one example. This basically the one of the World Bank person basically told. Assume that basically text box. He basically understood this. Basically, what actually I want to say. Text box equal to 150 cities means from 150 cities text box is created. From 150 cities, oils and petrols energies are getting created, but that has to be processed. Without process basically you can't use that. So that 150 cities energies basically are giving the data to 25 cities. Assume that basically they are giving the data to few buildings. Due to that basically energy basically the buildings are not moving left and not moving to right, and they are basically handling the entire data of each and every buildings of that particular area, and that is basically controlled by some internet group basically. That is basically the formula basically. This is one step basically. So one of the World Bank told that basically can we give this project to the IT department basically, because they had not tracked the stuff basically which we, in previous video basically you told. So that basically so they basically literally asked a few questions basically. Why basically we created America? Why we given the place number one to the America? Why we created Singapore basically? Why we created big software companies in India basically? Though they basically World Bank group basically asked literally this question basically. Why they will ask na basically? Because if nothing is getting tracked, and due to this basically the Chinese group basically who created the 500-year future basically, that is going to be changed in big level basically. I am 100% sure basically. And in this change basically the World Bank have to invest more money basically. So that's why they basically ask this question basically. That is one stuff basically. That is different stuff basically. And one of the person told that you are staying in Earth planet, so you also have to solve this problem basically. So that is basically one stuff basically. Here the stuff is Earth planet basically. These buildings basically are like this. 50 cities. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.